It has been said that landscape is history made visible. The landscapes in which our forebears interacted with each other and the world around them have changed in many ways over the centuries. But a careful look at the vistas of our present day can train the eye to glean important insights into the people and places of times past. Join the historic Indian Agency House in 2022 as we turn back the clock and explore the natural and cultural landscapes of 2 centuries ago, taking time to delve deeply into the unique cultures which existed throughout Wisconsin in 1832, and investigating the natural landscapes in which their stories were lived out. Art season kicks off with the grand opening of A Landscape of Families, a brand new outdoor exhibit which brings to life the cultural scene of 190 years ago. Educational hikes, environmental stewardship workshops, and more are set to deliver hands-on learning within the nearly 200 acres of natural area upon which the Agency House sits. Embark on your journey into the scenes of times past through our speaker series, reenactments, community participation archaeological research, an action-packed Enduring Skills Weekend, and plenty more for all ages to enjoy. Along with a full schedule of events, further your understanding through On Location, a 5-episode video documentary investigating the Ho-Chunk villages which dotted hundreds of square miles at the time of the Agency House's construction in 1832. Dive into our newest free curriculum with your family or students, and watch for a new exhibit and research being completed on an intriguing new Fort Winnebago find. Whether it be indoors, on a trail, in a prairie, or on the seat of a birch bark Voyager canoe, prepare to spend some quality time discovering the historic landscapes of our past, right here at the historic Indian Agency House.